Also, a new trend is illuminated door sides. We have the Mansory Revuelto, which actually have illuminated door sides, as well as seats, as well as illuminated logos on the door there, and also illuminated logos in front there. It's the Mansory Initiate brutal performance. And it's not over the top. It's actually really quite stylish. I mean, notice the wheels and the rims. For some reason I like the name. It's not so over the top. Mansory Initiate brutal aftermarket design. Illuminated logos. And the grand entrée. Extremely brutal. It's like Mansory. And the Purusaki.